Ja chcem gelákov.
Celú hru nemal
Na tejto mapke
tak ako
geláčikov by som
celú hru
stal.
som mal len Čínu.
To káčka hneď začne stláčať ako kokot.
No, chvála Bohu.
Píča kokot, kurva.
We will live in prosperity.
No,
Teraz alebo nikdy.
čo?
Building the Chinese Empire. Let's build. That's a good start.
Akože, keď teraz nevyhráte, tak nemáte čo hrať už.
Tak
Construction
to môžem
in
bola akorát
prosperity.
predať. Do
Building
píče,
the
to čo sme
Chinese
aké
Empire will grow larger for
Prosím, tá
China.
hra, ja nepiču.
Ale
We will
predaj to
live in
rovno.
prosperity. The Chinese
Jeb
Empire.
na
Ja
to.
to predám, ja sa pozriem a
China has been generous.
Jeb na to rovno to predaj, to sa
Let's take a
neoplatí.
look. Let's build. That's another good start. Try complete. China has construction built to spec. China will grow larger.
Dočkám, kým
We
Niky
will
dojde a
live in
rozjebe na
prosperity.
nejakú za nejakú Ameriku priebanú.
Build orders complete, sir.
To bude dobré.
I build for China. Let's
To bude
build.
dobré.
Nice location. Construction built to spec. Build orders complete, sir.
Pozri sa, Miky ide ke mne, lebo nejebe ti Miky do piče.
Pomôžte mu tam niekto.
It is very hot in here.
Určite
It
nejaký
is very
priebaný
hot in
nechal
here.
dať.
Pressure level set.
China has been generous.
Defenders of peace.
We
Upgrade
will live
complete.
in prosperity.
We are the Red Guard.
It is very hot in here. It is very hot in here.
China has been generous. It will look real nice when it's done.
Storage tanks sealed.
Let's pick up some goods.
Dragon tank. Release the flames. Temperature
Construction
stable.
built to spec.
Release the flames. Everything ready here. Ignition.
Unit lost.
Pressure level set. Let us get closer. Temperature stable. Let us get closer. The earth will burn. Everything ready here. I will leave a dark cloud from upgrade.
Our base is being attacked!
We have big plans.
I have many bullets to spare.
I
Ready
will
for
tell you
orders.
everything I hear.
China can use the
Construction
people's army.
built to spec.
We'll tear through their Battlemaster tank reporting.
China's
carrying
tank
the
division.
big gun.
Track down the enemy.
We'll tear through their armor.
We will live in
Enemy
prosperity.
tanks out there.
Tady o to nepôjde, Micho.
We'll tear
Tady
through their
auto.
armor.
Let's
Tear through
build.
their armor. China can now use this
Kto tam má?
We'll tear through their armor. We'll tear through their armor.
Máš tam?
Akože nie, keď ho tu mám základ.
Pozor, Mirko je oné.
Jaj do
We'll tear
píče,
through their armor. Let's
kurva.
fight the tanks. We'll tear
Fighting
through
for
their
the
armor.
Red Army.
I'm carrying the big gun.
We will live in prosperity. Let's build.
Dávno by tam nebol.
Looks promising.
Serving China.
We are the Red Guard. We will shoot them down. Enemy tanks out there. Gun barrels ready.
Battlemaster tank.
Temperature here. I'm carrying the big gun. Enemy tanks out there.
Mirko je tankový, to je velice, velice nepríjemné.
Ako nedobehne ten outpost, to si robíš piču vážne.
We have big
General,
plans.
our base is under attack.
Our choice. For China. Nice location.
Defending attention.
A to je piči. Na normálne hodíme Miro, lebo je
Ready for orders.
pojebaný tankový.
Public. Yes. Our middle
Building
kick
is
down.
complete.
Defending attention.
We will live in prosperity.
Ja tyho tankového normálne zakrátko dole.
China's rocket soldier. Fighting for the Red Army. Crush the enemy. Enemy tanks out there.
Lost.
A ja vieš čo robím? Ale Miky no.
I will tell you everything
Congratulations,
To moje
Jack. You have been promoted.
Čo? Tu máme takého spoluhráča?
We'll tear through their armor.
To není boh, vieš.
Pozri to,
Wounded the enemy.
Niekde je u mňa. Jako piča, ozaj, jeba.
Congratulations, Jack. You have been promoted.
Na piču jednotka.
Ako, ty mi už prosím ta nikdy nehovor viac.
Everything at that.
Mám od teba.
I built for China.
I like helping armor.
Že tento tankový,
To kurva není fér do piče.
tento tankový ide jak kanon, ty kokos. Tento tankový ide jak kanon, čo ide tenkrát rýchlejšie než ja.
Demolícia, vy to poraz dáte. Akurát mi došli vieť.
They're attacking our base.
Počkaj, toto si aspoň pozrime. Toto si pozrime. Kúkaj, teraz to vyhrá. Ani tí overlordy nepadli. No tak ja neviem, prečo to chodí od neho a nie od mojej hlavnej základne, vieš, akože má to chodiť od neho.
Lebo ani to nevieš ovládať.
To sa nedá.
Ale ja som to nechal v svojich rukách. Čo ty, chcem sa pozrieť, som ja to...
Áno, nehovorím.
Takže ja som si povedal, no nič,
Ja som bol na mape Viete, je posledný.
Keby si bol čokoľvek iné okrem tankového.
S onými zeštými.